Hey watchers, it's May 10th, 2022. Chef Tom here with our Watch Me vlog. Today was kind of a rough day today. It's, as you can hear from the sound outside, it's raining. It's a little rough today, you know, at work. It's getting towards the end of the year, and it's been a hard year for teachers. But it's still rewarding. It's still the best job in the world. So, on that, I want to tell you guys that very, very soon, I'm going to be posting and doing a live cooking demonstration. My first live demonstration on Twitch. All right? First live demonstration on Twitch. It's going to be honey walnut shrimp. And I'm going to post the recipe on my Patreon account. Along with a lot of other exclusive content, exclusive recipes that I want to share with people. Some of the more elaborate, some of the more stuff that has a little more of the expensive ingredients I'm going to be sharing on Patreon. And some stuff that really, some stuff that is more, you know, attention seekers. But it's going to be great. Anyway, I hope you guys are all having a great day. One thing I'm going to mention is you guys see I got my lapel pins on. I got my Watch Me Cook shirt on. This one is really special to me right here. This one I purchased from a gentleman by the name of Fred Rosser. You guys know him as Mr. No Days Off, Darren Young from the WWE. He told me about a really great campaign. It's a campaign that I am supporting, and I'm supporting it by wearing this pin right here. I am supporting it. He's like, "Oh, you're gay. You're gay. You're wearing a gay pride pin." No, I'm not. Am I not gonna judge a person by their sexual orientation? Absolutely. Does everybody deserve an equal opportunity no matter what? Absolutely. That's the way it is in my classroom. But what he's supporting is don't be bitter towards somebody just because they're different. Let's block the hate. All right? That's all we got to do. Just block the hate. Anyway, guys, I hope you're having a great day. I got to get ready. I got to teach a class tonight. We're doing cake and ice cream. Making homemade ice cream and making homemade chocolate butter cake. So I'm going to get out of here. Going to go get ready for class. I'm going to eat dinner here in my restaurant and finish filming some content. And you guys all have a great evening. Go be awesome. You are you, and you are wonderfully and fearfully and wonderfully made. I'm out of here. Chef out. You guys have a great day. See ya.